Hello everybody and welcome back. So, welcome to actually a VHS special video. So, yeah, this is going to be different than recording with just like my regular camera. I mean, it's like if I mess something up, I can't just stop and go back and erase the footage. I just gotta keep on going because whatever I record is just permanently recorded to the tape. But anyway, in this video I'm going to talk about how to use a rotary phone. So yeah, let's just say you got yourself an old rotary phone like this, but you don't know how to use it. Well, the first thing you'd want to do is you need to plug it into a working landline wall jack, like this down here. Right? And then, well, let's see. Well, this isn't going to be a video so much of how to just use a landline in general, because I've already covered that in a previous video. So if you're not familiar with how to even use just any other landline phone, then please refer to the video talking about how to use a landline phone today. Anyhow, so once you get the rotary phone connected to a landline that works, then you need to pick it up and listen for the dial tone. I don't even know where the microphone is on this thing. I'm gonna guess it's right here. Hopefully you can hear that. I don't know. But anyway, once you hear that dial tone, you need to, well, let's see. So once you're actually ready to dial the number, once you hear that dial tone, you then need to put your finger, well, let me actually zoom in a bit here. There. You need to put your finger in the hole that directly lines up with whatever number you intend to dial. So like for example, I guess 7 right here. I need to put it in the hole directly lined up with 7. And then you need to flick the dial all the way to the right until your finger just hits that hook right there and you can't spin it anymore. Then you just release it, let the dial return back to its normal position. And there you go, like you just successfully dialed one number. So then you would need to repeat that step for every number that you intend to dial. And that's basically how a rotary phone works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and actually dial a full phone number on this thing. Once I find the number, that is.
Now here is your National Weather Service forecast.
Alright, yeah. So, yeah, we just successfully dialed a number using the rotary phone. So, basically, yeah, that is the rundown pretty much of how to use a rotary phone. It's not too much different from using a regular landline phone that has push buttons instead of a rotary dial. There's just, you know, a very, very slight learning curve to it. That's about it. So, anyhow, I think that's honestly going to do it for this video. Like I said, I'm not going to cover, like, everything about using a landline phone in general because I've already covered that in a previous video. So this is just really teaching the learning curve of the rotary style phones. Instead, and also just at the same time, you know, using a different style of camera and making a special video using that type of camera instead. So, anyhow, thank you guys all for watching, and I hope to catch you in the next one.